Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to move Steam games and libraries. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the store, we have the library, we have the community, and your profile. Also in the middle of the screen, we have a tab where you have your store, new and noteworthy, categories, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and move Steam games and libraries. So moving Steam games and libraries to a different drive is a great way to free up space or organize your files better. Launch the Steam client on your computer and click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Click here and click on Settings. Then in the settings menu, click on storage. So go and find the storage, which is in here in the middle of the screen, as you can see. Click on add library folder and select the new drive where you want to move your games. This will create a new library folder on the selected device. In the storage manager, select the games you want to move and click move. Choose the library folder you created and click move again to start the transfer. After moving the games, you might need to update the file path in any mod managers or game launchers you use. If you want the new folder to be your default, go back to Settings, Storage, and set the new folder as your default installation path. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.